And your engineer better turn it up to the max. Let everything burn, the return of the Mac. Got a man looking like he's seen a ghost, fully throwing a white, he's smoking wax. Chemtrails coming all out of my mouth, smoke looking like the exhaust of a jet. Man that just melted into the couch. Put them in a hole like they're snorting cat. Put them in a hole like they're working on the water. All you could hear was pure disorder. All you could see was smoke dispersing. All you could do was hide in the corner. Nuff Noise, everybody dead. Scared for your life, so you look to the sky and pray for silence. Not bad. Them gonna get anything but L's. Voice love though, send a salute to the losers. Oz man are fucking up your own network. When I shut down, gotta reboot your computers. None of them could ever connect to the router. One of them must have had a glitch in the system. Man are getting woke from the sleep at night. All you could hear was a couple shots in the distance. All you could hear was people screaming. All you could hear was pure disorder. Not trying to start war with anybody here, cause we don't cause trouble, we're causing trauma. Man are gonna know about cause and effect. Big strats on the set, trying to keep things. None of them gonna get anything but L's. Voice love though, send a salute to the losers. Oz man are fucking up your own network. When I shut down, gotta reboot your computers. None of them could ever connect to the router. One of them must have had a glitch in the system. Man are getting woke from the sleep at night. All you could hear was a couple shots in the distance. All you could hear was people screaming. All you could hear was pure disorder. Not trying to start war with anybody here, cause we don't cause trouble, we're causing trauma. Man are gonna know about cause and effect. Big strats on the set, trying to keep things.